Godspeed to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if it's the first time you see my beautiful face, my name is Alfred, and if it's not the first time, you know the vibes, right? Thank you so much for always watching my videos. So currently I am in Oka, Anambra State, and tomorrow is my girlfriend's wedding. My girlfriend is getting married. So I just styled my hair. I'm going to be posting the video of the process, and I'm so happy because the guy did a very good job. The guy did a very good job. And then I have my beautiful friends, the quiet one and the crazy one. You'll get to meet them very soon. So this night we're having the bridal shower. We're still waiting for the bride. Still waiting for our bride to come so that the party can now start. What did you want to say that to you? Oh god, I'm so tired. Like today has been very stressful.
Very cold one, thank you.
Today has really been stressful because we are looking for a good stylist to lay our front house, but finally we got Hillary and he did a very good job. I'm so happy with the outcome. I'm so happy. I'm going to keep you guys through the process. I'm going to take you through the process, so just stay tuned because I have a lot of things to show you guys. Okay.
Hello guys, how you guys doing? My name is Amara, aka Okay Wine Woju. Nice meeting you guys here. Please subscribe, like and share. Love you.
Love you too. Jennifer. So don't tire. Since morning we'll go do here, I swear. Guys, welcome back. So currently I've entered my room. So I want to take my bath to refresh myself because I'm so exhausted from today's stress. So after taking my bath, I'll get something to eat and then we'll now head out for the bridal shower. We're still waiting for the bride. We're still waiting for the bride. She's not yet here. The bride is not yet here, and then the other Asoebi ladies, they're not yet here. But then at least I'm with my friends. That's what matters. So guys, just stay tuned. I'll put you through the process. I am exhausted, but I'll still do the video. Don't worry, I'm going to catch every moment for you guys. All right. Hi guys, good morning. So today is the wedding. Yesterday night the bridal shower couldn't hold because the bride came in very late, so we had to cancel. I'm getting ready for my makeup. I hope it's nice. Jennifer, go and take your bath. So guys, just stay tuned. I'm going to put you guys through the process, okay? So it's time for my makeup. The previous makeup artist we were supposed to use disappointed us because she was sick, but she connected us to one of our friends, which is this lady here. At first I wasn't convinced. I wasn't sure of her job because I haven't seen any before, and I didn't want something of what you order because what you receive. But at a point my friend just said I should just keep quiet and let her do her job, and I finally did. And guys, I was wild with the outcome. Okay guys, I'm done with my makeup. How do I look? The makeup artist is like the badass. She did a very good job. So right now they're doing my friend's makeup, Jennifer. So guys, this is my friend Jennifer. It's time for us to have makeup. Jennifer.
Hello.
This is the badass makeup artist.
Hi.
What's your handle? Guys, she's very good.
NK's Beauty Brushes.
She's very good. She's available to travel. She's good.
Yes,
so guys, since I'm done with my makeup, let me go and check on our bride. I'm going to check on our bride to know how far with her I'm so happy with this makeup. Like, you need to see how I was so optimistic. Like, when this makeup turned out very nice, but finally it turned out so nice. I'm so happy. I'm looking for the bride. I think she's in room 109, and that's where I'm heading to right now. I'm so happy. All right. Good morning, sir. All right. I need this light. Jennifer, how far?
I'm good. I'm fine. How are you?
We are fine. Where is Oja? I thought Oji is here.
She went downstairs.
All right. See how fine she is. Cheerful. Don't laugh, oh. Don't laugh so that the makeup will not break.
Just be serious.
So our bride is already doing her makeup. Let me go and check on my friend Jennifer to know how far, if she has started. And then my other girlfriend Woju, she'll also start her own very soon. I'm so happy. Like, I'm so happy with the look. The makeup is top notch. Like, the makeup artist is very good. She's available to travel no matter where you are. She's really, really good.
Yeah, so finally our bride is done with her makeup. She looks so gorgeous and very, very beautiful. You can see how happy she is that she's getting married. Love is sweet though. Anyways, after that it was time for her to take pictures because we couldn't do the bridal shower yesterday, so we decided to just take pictures with the clothes.
So guys, I'm done with my makeup, I'm all dressed and I'm ready to step out. So I'm going to be posting a picture of my full look, so you guys can tell me what you think about it.
So finally guys, I was all dressed up. My hair, my makeup, my clothes, everything was on point. I was looking so beautiful. So it's time for us to head out to the wedding venue. So guys, let the party begin.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts.
Hey guys, so welcome back. Today is the day after the wedding and I thank God for a successful wedding yesterday, and a big congratulations to my girlfriend and her hubby. I wish them a happy married life. So going back to my friend's place, and then I'll be leaving for Asaba tomorrow for an audition I have on Wednesday. Don't worry, I'm still going to make a video of that and still post it for you guys to watch. But first of all, enjoy this video and don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. We've come to the end of this vlog. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my community. Thank you, because I know we are growing. I love you guys. Bye.